In this EXModel tutorial, I will show you a small enhancement that you can apply to align your mesh onto the coordinate system. When you align using the Align Interactive tool, you will notice that your mesh might not be perfectly aligned to the coordinate system. So here's a small trick. You can use the Show Mirrored Mesh option, which the mirrored mesh based on the coordinate system will be shown in the space. Then you can move your mesh object to align with the mirrored object. Once aligned, you will see that the coordinate system will be placed right in the middle of the mesh.